Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Sarah and I am a data scientist at a cloud frontier. We are really excited in our team to announce the development of a brand new Snowflake Insights app. The aim is to help your group get a better understanding of your specific Snowflake account usage, via data visualizations but without having to write any SQL. Among other things, our insights, as of today, focus on warehouse load and cost optimization and tools to make sure your team is GDPR compliant. On this video, I'll walk you through our first beta version of the app and explain briefly how these first insights can help your team. Also at the end, you'll get to see real quick how to access it via Docker if you're interested. Let's start. Of course, first up is our login page where we type in our Snowflake credentials. So the app has access to your account usage data. Here I'm just typing as an example and it will log to our main insights page. So first thing you see is that the app is divided in 4 main tabs. So you have cost, users, usage, and GDPR tabs. This way the information is organized and you can look for whatever you're interested in seeing. In the cost tab, once you type your cost per credit, the plots adjust to the actual dollars spent. You can check for monthly and daily expenses as well as year-to-date cost and a few more insights. Play around with the widgets to filter date range and warehouse. The monthly plot is best used to get an average cost overview and then the daily one to detect possible outliers, just like the ones I'm selecting. In the Users tab, it's possible to monitor number of active users and count of logins they each perform daily. But let's move on to the last 2 tabs and the most useful one so far. The Usage tab is aimed to help our team with warehouse load and cost optimization. How is that? We developed 3 plots that complement each other with enough information to do so on the selected warehouse. First, a heat map provides with average busy hours where the warehouse has bigger query load. Since on Snowflake we pay by the time warehouse is open, no matter the load, this can help us avoid unexpected credits usage caused by running warehouses with minimal load. Also, it can suggest an opening and close hours scenario based on the specific past warehouse usage. On the second one, we move from average to the hour load on any particular date range. For example, if we check for a certain week from Monday to Sunday and set the date, we observe days and hours where warehouse is running and then others where it's not. In our case, it is not running at night and neither at weekends. Lastly, we have a daily plot with number of queries running per minute. This can give us an easier understanding of what we should set as auto-suspend and auto-resume for custom performance optimization. It is recommended that auto-suspend is enabled to match the gaps in this plot, that is, gaps in your query workload. The good thing would be to keep a balance between not having the warehouse open without running queries too long, since Snowflake utilizes per second billing, but no closing for such a short period of time, since it will lose performance. Every time the warehouse resumes, it will start with a clean cache. Also, if your warehouse is in a continual state of suspending and resuming, each time it resumes, you are billed for the minimum credit usage, which is 60 seconds. So you should also take this into consideration. And that is for the usage tab. Let's move on to the last one and let's check how this app can help us to make sure our team is GDPR compliant. So here we get a list of non-empty tables that have not been updated the last 30 days. The thing is, you have 30 days to be compliant after a right to erasure request. This list will help you not forget to delete info of a particular customer on tables I'm no longer using, and probably don't even remember about them. Maybe a data scientist like me does a temporary backup while development and later on forgets about it. So it's a really useful insight to have. Lastly, we can also monitor uses and check for the ones that are no longer logging in. And that is it for the app. But before we end the video, I'm quickly gonna go through how to access it via Docker. The only prerequisite is to have Docker installed. Then, just by copying this specific Docker run command on your terminal, the image will be pulled. Right after, the app will automatically get running. What you have to do now is just copy and paste on your favorite browser the localhost URL and we'll get there. Once you're here, you know what to do. And that is it for the video today. Remember, this is our first beta version and we would love for you to try it out and give us feedback. It would also be really helpful to know what other insights you're interested in seeing. Thanks for watching and feel free to email or contact us via LinkedIn for anything. Bye!